McNaught Cadillac Buick GMC has been proud to serve the greater Winnipeg and Manitoba area for over 4 decades. We strive to provide customer-first service while offering quality Cadillac, Buick, and GMC vehicles in the Waverley Auto Mall. Our state-of-the-art facility offers 22 service bays with licensed technicians and the highest level of training to do whatever it takes getting your vehicle fixed and back on the road as quickly as possible. If you're looking for a good used car in Winnipeg, we can assist you with that as well. We have a comprehensive selection of used cars, trucks, and SUVs from all the top manufacturers. Here at McNaught, we honor your busy schedule, and that's why we have 4 dedicated bays specifically for express lane oil changes, any make and model, and no appointments required. At McNaught Collision Center, we're a direct repair, accredited MPI repair facility. So all you need to do is bring in your claim number and we'll do the rest. If you don't have time to wait for your vehicle, we have complimentary shuttle service, or if you want a weekend trip out of town, stop by our on-site Enterprise Rent-A-Car kiosk. McNaught Cadillac Buick GMC has a legacy in this city for top quality service and sales, and we're continuing that legacy. Please come in and see why our customers say this dealership feels like home.